This is my presentation for homework for part 4. Overall, Earth's mass, magnetic field, and position from the sun is what makes Earth habitable, but let's break that down. First, let's discuss what is needed to support human life. I wrote a list here. It says liquid water, oxygen, soil, sunlight, protection from sun rays, the atmosphere, protection from solar wind, and carbon dioxide. So let's break that down. We need water to drink, we need something to eat like plants, and that takes sunlight, water, soil, etc. And we need protection from sun rays and solar wind, so that's why we need an atmosphere, and so on. Why does Earth have an atmosphere? Simply put, it is the mass and temperature. The mass of the planet holds the gas molecules, and the temperature gives those molecules energy to keep them from escaping the atmosphere. These two factors are also what allows us to breathe. Another really important thing that allows Earth to be habitable is the magnetic field. The magnetic field protects us from the solar wind, comets, and asteroids. The magnetic field also holds onto our atmosphere. The reason we have a magnetic field is because of our liquid outer core and plate tectonics. So let's circle back to the beginning when I stated there were 3 big reasons Earth was habitable, and these were first the magnetic field, like we discussed in the previous slide. The next was Earth's mass, like we mentioned in one of the earlier slides. Because of the mass that Earth has, it holds onto our atmosphere. And finally, our position from the sun, which is just right. It allows us to be warm enough to have liquid water for our water cycle, and of course, to drink.